Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be the second video of the how to make a flower series. So enjoy the video. For that, you're going to need just a square sheet of paper. So let's get started. So I'm going to fold it like this from one edge to another edge. Now on the other side. Now I'm going to fold it from corners to corner. One side. Just deeper the fold with your nails. On the other side. Okay, now I have one point in the middle, as you can see. Now I'm going to take one corner and fold it till here, and then fold it. Deeper the fold with your nails. Now I'm going to do it on the other sides too. Done. So now we are again going to fold it from this corner to the center as we did in the previous folds. Deeper it with your nails. Okay, so I have folded it till here. Now I'm going to fold it on the opposite side like this. Now I'm going to repeat it. Now turn it around and then do the same thing. This corner to the center, this corner to the center, this corner to the center, and this corner to the center. Like this. Now just repeat it. All the papers just done folded. I'm going to fold it again, and then this, and then fold it like this on the opposite side after turning it around. So this is it, guys. Thank you guys.